Welcome to our Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. It's been a minute, but I'm back and let's get straight into Popcaan released his album Forever yesterday, and it's already topping charts on iTunes Reggae. Aidoina released his song VVS yesterday, which is like a little dancehall trap. Here's a sneak peek of that.
Body kit, drip, drip. VVS diamonds a drip. VVS diamonds a drip. VVS diamonds a drip. VVS diamonds, ice when a trip. VVS, highs. Not at the heights when the water freeze. When I walk past the freeze. Them a wonder over the cost of this. It fly past your face. Money up front.
Marion, formerly known as Lady Soul, also released her album called His Grace, and it's on all digital platforms. You should definitely go check that out. Don't forget to pre-order Tifa's album Champagne and Curry Goat, which releases on August 10th. You do not want to miss that, because you don't know she dropped some goods and some gems. And had reported that Rihanna will be dropping a dancehall album. When we don't know, but sources say that over 500 songs have been sent in for review in order to be on her album. We're not sure who exactly will be on the album, but we're ready feeds because look how long it is in the industry and I know you're not dropping a dancehall. We can't wait. Well, me can't wait. Okay, when you drop it, call me, I'll review it. You are in the New York City area, go get your tickets now for Reggae on the Tip. The lineup is gonna be boom. You have Conscience, you have W Magnum, you have Tifa, you have Ding Dong, you have so much more. They did not sponsor me to say this, but I will be there. Gwaan Dancehall will be there like, whoa. That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.